Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and NWO book. Remember, the New World Order book is going to open your eyes. Especially give that to your friends and family for the holidays, because 2021 is going to be the craziest ride we've ever been on. Also, guys, I want to thank those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at the store. Remember, ladies, I definitely have something coming for you. It should be uploaded yesterday. It should be up there within 48 hours, I think it takes. But guys, of course, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Now, we see Bitcoin has moved up, guys. The dominance has moved up to 62%. But what do we know? We know we have CME right around the corner. We see the indicators. We see that Xrp hasn't moved anywhere. Now, we see the stable coins, yes, pump Bitcoin, but we know Bitcoin is coming right back down. So, guys, make your moves. This is the time to make money. We know that altcoins are not going to come up yet because we know what? Bitcoin is coming right back down to the normal dominance. So guys, just make sure we're staying focused on the indicators. XRP, stablecoins, Tether, USDT, and volume. Bitcoin is not going anywhere yet. Yes, it got a pump, but just like I stated, that's all coming from the dominance. We saw the stablecoins go down, and they just moved that money into Bitcoin. We know the Fed is doing what? Controlling both the stock market and the cryptos. Just stay focused on the indicators, you'll be fine. We know the Fed did what today? Cut that big check, and that's the reason why Bitcoin is pumping too. So guys, we know the game. Make sure you stay focused. Now we see the Fed do something very interesting when it comes to the stock market. We took a pullback, so therefore the hit is not as bad when election comes. So we know this. We know that tech reports, I'm going to go over this more, of course, on the stock channel. But on the stocks, guys, we know that big tech reports probably on Thursday, today, at the end of the day today, and then also Thursday with the big tech companies. So the fact is, yes, we'll be moving up a little bit on the stock market and cryptos. But just like I said, we know we have CME, so we know we're going to take a dump, guys. They're going to cash out without a shot of a doubt. But we saw Bitcoin, of course, still breaking records. Haven't done this since 2018. So we know we're in the wonderful place, wonderful land right now. Now, we also saw a crypto holder move $1 billion with only a fee of $3. Who could it have been? That's right, the Fed. That's the only people that would have done that, guys. The Fed. They don't confuse us. But guys, let's get into the news because we have some big news. We have JP Morgan's coin goes live. And guys, I'm letting you know, I've done 2 videos on it. JP Morgan is building the Federal Reserve 2.0 on blockchain. That's what they're doing. Please go check those videos out. Those are my must-watch videos. I keep it in the description link. But this is very, very important because you have to remember that they're going to be using Ethereum, also Z-Shark, so therefore you can't see their transactions. So guys, make sure we're staying focused on JP Morgan, Libra, those platforms that they're not allowing us to see, because they can easily move all those derivative swaps onto this chain where we can't see anything. So don't forget about that, but we're definitely going to blast off. Now, we also had Singapore's largest bank, DBS, is going to be launching a crypto trading platform plus custody. And guys, we know why these banks are doing this. Why? To make money off the fees. That's what this game is about, guys. You're doing trading, you're doing custody. You want to get the money from the fees. Think about traditional banking. They get money off fees. You go to the ATM, there's a fee. If you have non-sufficient funds, there's big fees. So they definitely take advantage of the poor. But the fact is, guys, we understand that this whole banking legacy platform is going to be put on blockchain. The banks are going to continue getting the money that they've been getting. None of that is going to change, guys. Now, basically, we have the Indian Bank United partners with Cache to offer crypto services across their 34 branches. So we know in India, they're going to have it. They're not going to have it. Guys, we know this is a global effort. Everybody is going to move over to blockchain and tokenization. Now we have Anheuser-Busch to integrate blockchain in their beer production line. And remember what I tell you guys, blockchain is to take humanity out of the workforce. Now we have IOTA Foundation joins Japanese government on blockchain-based maintenance project for their actual power plants. And just like I said, Energy Web Token, guys, make sure you check that out. Now we also have Liberty X launches Bitcoin to cash out at the ATMs. Basically, I don't know where you're at, but I see Bitcoin ATMs popping up everywhere. We also have INX Limited. Remember, guys, they went public on Ethereum last month. So basically, they're going to be buying open finance securities. So guys, that's going to be more into the digital trading. And of course, they already have licenses. So that is going to be very, very big for crypto trading, guys. Remember, I told you that. INX is basically starting the path of the legacy markets being tokenized. That's all they're doing. They're just the start of it. Of course, they won't finish it, but they're definitely the start of it. Now, lastly, guys, we're going to get into two articles. Very, very important articles as far as with China. And China, of course, their job is to upend the U.S. dollar. We know the U.S. dollar is a world reserve currency. That's going to be gone. It's out of here. It's not a question. It's already was planned. China was basically going to be the new empire. Of course, the dragon is coming. Now we have BlackRock downgrading U.S. Treasuries ahead of the election. And guys, remember what I teach you is that everything is planned out. Now, we know China, Japan own a lot of our treasuries. We know Japan is first and then China's a close second to owning all of our debt. Now, the fact is that basically what they're going to do, and remember I advise you of this, and this is very, very important, and the masses will never understand, never ever see it. They're just going to feel the effect. They're going to force China to sell our debt. And when they sell our debt, guys, the game, that's the end game. It's the end game. It's over. Take all your money and throw it over into the emerging markets. It's over the end game, and we're starting to see that end game. Anytime that you downgrade U.S. Treasuries, guys, it is definitely the end game. They know the U.S. dollar is coming down. They know once we get this election over, they know once we get this new president, they're going to put their foot on the gas on this digital currency, this UBI, because they know that the U.S. dollar is going to take a back step to all this other digital currencies. And of course, the masses will never understand. They don't care. But the fact is they're going to run into UBI, which is going to automatically give the government total control. And we clearly see this. That's the reason why I always tell you what, guys, educate your friends and family, because it does affect you. I don't care whether they listen or not. It does affect you. At least plant the seed. Let it grow in the mind. And that's the same reason how they got brainwashed. The devil, the evil man, planted the seed. That's the reason why they're not conscious. That's why they're asleep. You plant the Most High seed. You plant that seed, it'll grow. I understand it may seem like they're not listening, but when that foot get on that neck and it's about to come, they'll wake up quick. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book, the New World Order book. That's another way to open the eyes up, guys. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Also, the stocks. Don't forget about the stock channel, guys. I'm putting out some big things on the stock channel. Of course, you have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Also, everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And then also, while everybody's sitting at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.